All right, guys, take a look at this awesome Noble horse arena. I'm going to give you a little tour of it here. So we've got a gate here in this corner, and then this is something that is really awesome. So a little short panel here, but then right here we've got a pass through where you can walk through it, so you don't have to be open and shutting the gate all the time. Obviously, that won't work in places where you've got smaller animals that can get through there, but in a situation like this where you don't, then that makes a fantastic place where you can just walk through and don't have to open the gate all the time. So this is a 4-rail arena. The spacing on the 4-rail is designed to be wide enough that a horse can't get its head stuck in it. And then if you go to the 5-rail, it's enough narrower that a horse shouldn't really even be able to get their head in it. If you go, in between those, it can be a safety hazard for them. But Noble designs their spacing to avoid that, so a horse either can't get their head stuck or they can easily get it in and out. You can get these arenas in 3, 4, 5, or 6-rail. So lots of options. And then they are also built to spec. So if you have a unique configuration, you can get it built. You can get the panels in pretty much any length from 3 or 4 feet up to 20 feet. So you can fit the panels to your pad to make them work. When you're building your arena, if at all possible, you want it to be perfectly flat, perfectly level. But if for whatever reason you're not able to do that, then what you can do is you can actually step these panels down a little bit. We had to do that on a couple of these to make it work. We've got a 45 there, knocks off the corner. Then it shoots down this line here, and then there's a 45 on the other corner. These Noble panels are made from 15 gauge high tensile, high carbon steel. So they're a very durable steel. One of the benefits of that is that you can go up to a 20-foot panel. Now, what that means is that you can spread your posts out to up to a 20-foot. Obviously you're not going to have 20-foot everywhere because things have to line up, right? Like right there, we've got roughly probably a 6-foot panel. But if you go up to 20-foot spacing on your posts, it keeps the labor costs down, it keeps the post costs down, which helps keep these arenas in a more competitive price range while still getting that durable, strong steel product. These arena panels are tough enough for horse riding arenas, but they're also tough enough for roping arenas. Here's another thing I love about this system. Take a look here. So it's a 2 3/8 line post. The panel is 1 5/8. What that means is that you have a very smooth interior. Now, what you don't want on your arena is to have a big post, like let's say it was a wooden post, maybe a 6x6 or an 8x6 with a 2x8 center mounted, would give you these posts sticking out, be a great way to bust your knee when you're riding by. So that this system basically solves that problem by having it nice and smooth. And there's other systems as well. Like if back to the wood example, you'd want to have those rails mounted on the interior face to keep it smooth. But this way it's awesome. It's all steel, set in concrete, makes it last way better than wood. Very durable, going to hold up for a long time.